BMW owners, kiss your wallet goodbye. I am BMW Hunter, and I hope BMW owners watching this don't recognize this sound. Tell me, can you tell me what it is? Correct. It is the dreaded BMW lifter tick. If your BMW 6 or 8 cylinder engine starts making this noise, then make sure you drive it regularly at medium to high RPM, an Italian tune-up as they call it in the industry. And if that doesn't resolve your issue, as a last result, try the Liqui-Moly lifter tick additive. If that doesn't solve your issue, you might as well order a new engine. For more exclusive BMW and automotive content, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day, guys.